Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Vortex Wi-Fi Extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Vortex Wi-Fi Extender is a small device that helps boost your existing Wi-Fi signal, making it stronger in areas where your Wi-Fi is weak. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the Vortex Wi-Fi Extender into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid, usually takes 20 to 30 seconds. Open Wi-Fi settings on your mobile or laptop. Find and connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi name Vortex_EXT or Wi-Fi repeater. No password is needed at this stage. Once connected, open a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar, type one of the following and press enter: http://192.168.10.1 or http://ap.setup. Press enter to open the setup login page. Log into the admin page. Default login credentials are username and password is admin. If these don't work, check the label on your extender. After logging in, the setup page will ask you to choose a mode. Select repeater mode or extender mode to extend your Wi-Fi range. The extender will now search for nearby Wi-Fi signals. After a few seconds, a list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. Find and select your main Wi-Fi network, the one from your router. Once you select your main Wi-Fi network, you'll be asked to enter its Wi-Fi password. Type the correct password for your home or office Wi-Fi network. Then click Connect or Apply to proceed. The extender will restart to apply the settings. This takes about 40 to 60 seconds. Connect to the new extended network. Once rebooted, go back to your Wi-Fi list. You will now see your home Wi-Fi_EXT or your Wi-Fi_Plus. Connect to it using the same Wi-Fi password as your main router. Manual setup completed. Your Vortex Wi-Fi Extender is now connected and extending your Wi-Fi coverage in weak signal areas. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.